Welcome to the El Dorado Hills Skate Park. The skate park is located at 1021 Harvard Way in Community Park next to the playgrounds, and admission is free. All ages are welcome. Skaters under the age of 18 must wear a helmet. Skateboards and scooters can be utilized here. The skate park features ramps, a half pipe, grinding rails, and more. The skate park is open 7 days a week from 6:15 a.m. to 9 p.m. Recently, the way the skate park has been monitored changed. Although we no longer have staff on site, we monitor the area by utilizing security guards and video monitoring. We always encourage skaters and visitors to respect the facility and follow all posted rules so that each attendee can have a fun and safe time. Those who are not following the rules and safety requirements may be asked to leave. Although we are open 7 days a week, the skate park is usually closed on rainy days when the ground and equipment are wet, on extremely hot days, and poor air quality days. Tag us in your skate park photos and use hashtag EDHCSD and hashtag YourPlaceToPlay so we can see them. We hope you enjoy this fun outdoor recreation area.
I love the skate park because the people here is so nice. I love skating with my dad. He's been like a supporter my whole life. The skate park is awesome to practice with. Like the ramps here are just amazing, and yeah.
They take great care of the park. The ramps are in really good condition. The facilities, the people here, it's a great place to be.
Yeah, I like the skate park because it's fun to go hang out with all my friends, and the weather's been nice lately, so I'm finally going outside. It's fun to be here. It's a good social place.